Good morning children, welcome back to online classes. I have told you about the types of nouns. There are 8 types of nouns. First one is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is collective noun, fourth one is abstract noun. Up to that I have taught you in the last classes, and now I am going to tell you about the collective material noun. Fifth one is material noun. Material noun. It refers to the material object. It refers to the material objects. Material objects. Example, it refers to the material objects. Material noun is nothing but it refers to the material objects. Example, gold, silver, copper, material objects, all these things. Okay, so now when we come to material noun, it refers to the material objects. Example, gold, silver, copper, bronze, all these things, okay, etc. Did you understand? Material, what is a material noun? It refers to the material objects. So gold, silver, copper, bronze, all these things, okay. All these things comes under material noun. Now coming back to the sixth one. Sixth one is the countable noun. Countable noun. This has singular and plural forms. It has singular and plural form. Singular and plural form. Plural form. It has singular and plural form which can be counted. These nouns can be counted. Example, friends, pencils, boxes, next. Many things you can say. Chairs, pots, etc. Okay, which can be counted. Next comes the countable noun. It has the both singular and plural form. This countable noun has both singular and plural form. Example, friends, pencils, boxes, chairs, pots, etc. Many things you can say. Flowers. Okay, all these things you can include. These comes under countable noun. You can write many examples. Okay, for all these things you can write many examples. I have given only few examples. Countable noun is having both the singular and the plural form. Example, friends, pencils, boxes, chairs, pots, etc. Okay, next comes the uncountable. Next comes the uncountable noun. So, the seventh one is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. It has only a singular form only. It has only singular form. Singular form. It can't be counted. It can't be counted. So, example, things which cannot be counted, can you tell me children? Like sugar, rice, water. Can we count all these things? No. Isn't it? These are having only singular forms. It is having only singular form. Can we write sugars? No. Can we write rices? No. Can we write waters? No. So, these has only singular form, but countable forms has singular and plural forms. Both singular and plural form, but uncountable nouns has only singular forms. For example, sugar, rice, water, music, food, etc. Food, music, etc. Okay, understood? So, uncountable noun has only singular forms. It cannot be counted. Example, sugar, rice, water, food, music, etc. Next, last comes the compound nouns. Compound nouns. So these compound nouns has two or three words. Three words. 2 or 3 words. This compound words has 2 or 3 words. It is made up of 2 or 3 words. This compound noun is made up of 2 or 3 words. Example, blackboard. Example, blackboard. Blackboard. See, it is made up of 2 words. Black is one word and board is also another word. So, it is made up of 2 words. So, it is a compound noun. It is a compound noun. Suppose if I say full moon. Full moon. So, full is one word and this is also another word. So, it is called a compound noun. It is called a compound noun. Example for compound noun is blackboard, full moon, sunrise, bus stop. Bus stop, see, bus stop. 2 words are there. So, it is a compound noun. So, it is a compound noun. So, compound noun has 2 or 3 words together and example is blackboard, full moon, bus stop, etc. Understood? I have given only few examples. There are many examples. Okay. Let's have one more review of this nouns. So, there are 8 types. What is a noun? First of all, we will see what is a noun. Noun is a naming word, name of a person, place, thing or objects. Okay. Next, there are 8 types of nouns. First one is common noun. Second one, proper noun. Third one, collective noun. Fourth one, abstract noun. Fifth one, material noun. Sixth one, countable noun. Seventh one, uncountable noun. And eighth one is the compound nouns. Okay. Understood, children? I hope you have all understood this. Thank you. Have a nice day.